you today? I hope you are doing great. And I really miss you. Welcome to 1, 2, 3. Learn English with Shiraz. Kids, today we are going to learn a new letter of the alphabet. Woohoo! Firstly, let's see these pictures. Lion, rawr, whoa. Leaf, ladder. All of those words start with the same sound. Do you know what's the sound that they start with? Yes! Great! It's sound. Wow. So today we are going to learn the letter L. L. This is capital L, and this is small l. All right, my friends, let's repeat together the sound of the letter L. And it is Let's say it very quietly. Let's say it loudly. L is for lollipop.
Wow!
Lollipop. L is for light. Light. Okay, my friends, let's do this exercise together. Look at this picture and find 3 things that start with sound. Amazing, my friends. Lion, leaf, lamb. Amazing. Now let's learn how you write capital L and small l. Alright, my friends, so as usual, we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're only going to be using these 3 lines. So let's go ahead and begin. First, my friends, let's start with the starting point of capital L. And the starting point of capital L is, as usual, also in the first line. Now, from this first line, my friends, we're going to go straight line down to the 3rd line right here. Now, from the 3rd line, we go a line just like that. Now, let's go ahead and do the starting point of small l. The starting point of small l is as well in the first line. Just like that, kids. Now, from this starting point, we're going to go down, down, down to the 3rd line. Here we go. Excellent job, kids. And make sure to keep watching. And join me soon for the next lesson. Goodbye.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.